Hi, good day, Miss Roselle. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is Rosel Villalba Ebuhay, 39 years old, from Philippines.
All right. Then where do you live?
I live in Valencia City, Bukidnon.
Then what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I am single.
Okay, so do you have any kids?
Yes, I have two kids, girl and boy, 16 years old and 15 years old.
All right. Then please tell me your educational background.
Only graduated from high school.
Okay. Then do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have two brothers and four sisters. I am the eldest.
All right. Then how would you describe yourself?
I am myself a hardworking. I am I am
Okay. May I know the reason why you want to apply abroad?
because of how I feel to the in my family and the only one living with.
Okay. So do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I work in Dubai for 8 years in one employer.
So did you finish your contract there?
Yes, I finished all the contract in the 8 years.
Okay. So can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in UAE?
Uh, I'm taking care of 3 kids, uh, from 1 year old to 8 years old, the youngest, and then I bring them to the school. I finish bringing them to the school. I clean, cook, and after I go to the school again to teach them in the home.
Okay. So
And
aside,
also I do,
mm-hmm, go ahead.
and also I do groceries for the house of monthly grocery.
Okay. All right. Then, aside from UAE, do you have still work experience in other country?
Yes, I work in Hong Kong for 10 months only. Yeah, break contract for salary reason from my employer.
All right. So can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Hong Kong?
In taking care of a newborn. Since he was born, I am the one who taking care of him until 10 months.
All right. So do you have any body tattoo?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you drink alcohol?
No, no,
All right. How about smoking?
no, I didn't.
All right. So do you have any food allergy?
No, I don't have.
Okay. So do you eat everything? Do you eat everything?
Oh, yes, no, I eat everything.
All
Or
right. Mhm. Okay. So, can you rate your cooking skills?
um, I can read my thinking until I 5 from 1 to 10 until 5. But I'm willing to learn everything. So I am learning all the different cooking for every meal.
All right, good. Then, are you scared of dogs and cats? Are you willing to take care pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to. We have a dog school and we have kids for them. I'm not afraid.
All right, good. Then for the last question, Ma'am Rosel, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
My mom here, I am with Hotel. If you choose me, I will promise you to do me all your hours the best so I can be long term in your family And assuming everything that I will follow everything rules in the house.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.